Angle naming. Let's make sure you remember what the symbol looks like you'll use in each name. It's not a less than sign. It's not the letter L. It's this symbol right here, and it'll go in front of each way we name it as we come down the page. There are 4 possible ways to name any angle, but not all angles can be named 4 ways because they don't always give you the amount of information to do that. So on this first teal angle, there's 2 critical pieces of information. The first is there's enough to name it one of the 4 ways, and the second is there's a size indicator in that picture, and I want to make sure you know that. The angle on the right has a lot of information, and you actually can name it all 4 ways plus some extras. Let's see how you do. Pause your video, name the angles, and then come back and check your answers. Great, now you've had a chance. Let's look at the first angle. Because I only gave you the vertex where the 2 rays met, you call it angle A. Has the symbol in the uppercase capital A that's italicized. This symbol indicates that those 2 rays are perpendicular, which means they formed a 90-degree angle, which is a right angle. On the purple angle, you can always call it angle H or angle 6. You can never call it angle 42 degrees. That would always be wrong. We never name an angle by its degrees of opening. Now remember what degrees are. Those of you who are skaters, dancers, divers, band members, you all know what a full 360 is when you're doing formations or performing. This 42 degrees is indicating a part of the 360 a full circle would be, that this angle is open. Other names for this angle, tracing it, KHS or KHL would both be appropriate because they have the vertex H in the center of the name. Or you can come from the other direction, tracing it, SHK or LHK. Those are great options. Let's look at 2 more angles. You can try again by stopping your video. Now that you're back, let's see how you did on this angle. This could be called angle B or angle 5. And the one on the right could be angle 7, angle CAT, angle TAC, or angle A. We have one more example down here. Pause. Now that you're back, you can see that the angle on the left is angle M, the angle on the right is angle N, but since they are the same measure, they uniquely have congruency indications. This is one way you could see congruency. The single arcs alone on each side would say they have the same opening, or a single arc with a tick mark in each. And the truth to be derived would be 38 degrees always equals 38 degrees. The pictures of angle M and angle N are the exact same size, so I use the congruency symbol, the equal with the wave. But if I'm talking about those 38-degree measures, then I'm saying the measure, little m italicized means measure, the measure of angle M equals the measure of angle N.